Hey friends, today I am showing an overview of my gel print January prints, the challenge that I ran over on Instagram, and you can watch the videos on TikTok as well as here on YouTube in the shorts. And I had a lot of fun putting all of these videos and prints together for you guys. There was an amazing sense of participation. People had so much fun, and so many of you opened up your gel plates for the first time and had a play. I'm so proud of you. Honestly, this was such a joy to do, and I might consider doing it again next year, depending on how things go. So I'm just showing you a brief flip through of each of the prints. There were prompts for every day, and the challenge was as much a challenge for me as it was for you guys because I was trying new things as well. So to start off, what I'm doing is I've already bound the book together in an accordion style album, and I was just placing that on top of the mount board or thick cardboard that I've cut out to size just to check whether they were going to fit my art journal or not. If you wanted to see how I put together the art journal itself, the accordion binding, then I will put a link in the description and you guys can check out and watch the live stream that I did on Zoom where I put the book together. And then I promised that I would share the rest over on YouTube. So if you wanted to, you can check that out and you can sign up through the link. So I've just chosen a print that I made earlier for the covers, and I decided which side I wanted to be the front and the back. And I am using a bone folder to crease the paper against my cardboard, just to kind of mold it because it helps to get those really crisp edges. It really helps to take that extra step to get get that creasing in, because then the paper will behave the way that you want it to. So I've glued down the gel printed pages onto my mount board. I used a glue stick by Bostik, which is my absolute favorite glue stick to use with paper. And I'm making sure to check which side was the first page. So my first print was, the prompt was silhouette. So that's, you just saw a quick peek of it. And I'm using my tape gun to put down some glue, and then I am lining the art journal up on my cover and just placing it down. The book did go a bit wonky while I was making it, but once it all comes together, it's hardly noticeable that the pages don't line up 100%. And if you wanted to, what you could do is you could add some washi tape on the edges of each page. But I chose not to do that because I just liked how imperfectly perfect it looked. And then before placing the back cover down, I cut out a ribbon and I placed that down inside, and I put down an extra layer of glue just to make sure that that ribbon would not go anywhere. You can use wider ribbon, you can use twine, and that's just to hold the book closed because it's open on both sides. It doesn't have a hinge. I wanted to be able to tie it closed so that it wouldn't open. I'm definitely going to be displaying it in a fan shape like this on my desk for a couple of days because this was so satisfying and I'm so pleased with how it came together. And here is a closer look at what the art journal looked like. And I hope you enjoyed this overview of my journal.